Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome my YouTube family. Thank you very much for your support. But the topic I'm going to discuss today is semantics. What is semantics? Actually, semantics is considered the soul of linguistics. Semantic means the meaning and interpretation of words, signs, and sentence structure. Semantics largely determine our reading comprehension, how we understand others, and even what decisions we make as a result of our interpretations. Semantics can also refer to the branch of study within linguistics that deals with language and how we understand meaning. This has been a particularly interesting field for philosophers as they debate the essence of meaning, how we build meaning, how we share meaning with others, and how meaning changes over time. So, semantics is very important branch of linguistics. What is semantics? The word semantics was first used by Michael Briel, a French philologist. It denotes a range of ideas from the popular to the highly technical. It is often used in ordinary language for denoting a problem of understanding that comes down to word selection or connotation. Semantics contrasts with syntax, the study of the combinatorics of units of a language, and pragmatics, the study of the relationship between the symbols of a language, their meaning, and the users of the language. Semantics as a field of study has also significant ties to various representational theories of meaning, including truth theories of meaning, coherence theories of meaning, and correspondence theories of meaning. Each of these is related to the general philosophical study of reality and the representation of meaning. Types of meaning: referential meaning, linguistic meaning, social meaning, and affective meaning. Words, sentence, and utterance meaning. We have talked about words and sentences as the two units of language that carry meaning. Number one, content words. Number two, function words. Content words. Content words are principally noun, verbs, prepositions, adjectives, and adverbs. All of these have meaning in that they refer to concrete objects, and abstract concepts are marked as being characteristics of particular social, ethnic, and regional dialects and of particular contexts, and convey information about the feelings and attitudes of language users. Function words. Function words such as conjunction, determiners also carry meaning, though in somewhat different ways from content words. Like individual words, sentences also have affective and social connotations. Lexical semantics. Lexical semantics is the study of words' meaning. Descriptively speaking, the main topics studied within lexical semantics involve either the internal semantic structure of words or the semantic relations that occur within the vocabulary. Hyponymy. In linguistics and lexicography, hyponymy is a term used to designate a particular member of a broader class. For instance, Daisy and Rose are hyponyms of flower. Hyponymy isn't restricted to noun. The verb to see, for example, has several hyponyms: glimpse, stare, gaze, ogle, and so on. Part whole relationship. An important relationship between words is the one found in pairs such as hand and arm or room and house. In each pair, the referent of the first term is the part of the referent of the second term. Thus, the relationship between hand and arm is hyponymic. Instead, we call it a part whole relationship. Synonyms. Two words are said to be synonymous if they mean the same thing. The term movie, film, flick, and motion picture all have the same set of reference in the real world and are usually taken to be synonymous terms. Antonym. The word antonym derives from the Greek word anti, opposite, and denotes opposition in meaning. In contrast with synonymy and hyponymy, antonymy is a binary relationship that can characterize a relationship between only two words at a time. Term A and B are antonyms. Is when A describes a referent, B can't describe the same referent, and vice versa. Polysemy. The capacity for a word or phrase to have multiple meanings, usually related by contiguity of meaning within a semantic field. Thank you. I wish you all the best.